They gotten big, yep. Now they're starting to pull the fences down with these pull toys. It's like WWE cage match. Tunnel time! Tunnel time! And now they all start attacking the tunnel. The highlight of their day is the tunnel. Wow. Attack the tunnel. They're going to crush it down, then they'll kind of start playing with it. They'll start going through it. Right now, they just crush it. After they kind of crush it, they start going in it and figuring out. And you see that little hangy down thing, they'll be pulling it around for long. Hey, Alvin. Hey, Fire. And they're now starting to go in it and play a little bit better. You see. So yeah, the tunnel's fun for them. Gives them something new to experience. They're not for sale, Fire. They've all been reserved. Before they were born, we had a wait list of about 8 puppies, and we had 9, and we needed more females, and we didn't have enough females. So when they were a couple weeks old, we had a male or 2 available, and yeah, if we had to sell them on YouTube, we'd be in trouble. Some of the people that are watching, they're watching their puppies or seeing the puppies and those type of things. You won't believe the hate we get on YouTube for having puppy videos. Liver. I'll test all the parents. Brittany's. Run a. Yeah, they're playing hard. I love to see them play this way because they'll be in the bed by 9 tonight. They're crate sleeping. But actually, the statistics are there's about 8 really enough to. We help eye diseases. Still sleeping over there. They're not for sale. They're all being reserved. We keep a wait list. Most of them are really good retrievers, natural. Yeah, it's a liver and it's a orange are the 2 dominant colors. They've had their first shots. Hey, Andy, 88. Yeah, they've had their first shot. Around. Any spaniels in here? There's actually. That's the standard. Look at their bodies. Tunnel time! Tunnel time! Tunnel time! And now they all start attacking the tunnel. The highlight of their day is the tunnel. Wow. attack the tunnel. They're going to crush it down, then they'll kind of start playing with it. They'll start going through it. Right now, they just crush it the first 5 minutes. Hey everyone. Hey Free. Hey Robin. Hey Fire. Missed some people. Yeah, they're in here. Hey Kelly, they're in here attacking this tunnel. They'll start playing with it in a little bit. They got to crush it first. Then they'll start going in and out of it. It's just a new obstacle, Betty. It's just a stressor, like putting a crate in there, like putting a box. Anything's new to them, and they need to learn that anything I put in there is gonna, they get used to it. So when they go to a new home and you have a new thing that they're not used to seeing, they're not going to be terrified and run away. They'll kind of more approach it. Just a good way of getting them stressors. When they do military dog training, they stress the puppies. And after they kind of crush it, they start going in it and figuring out. And you see that little hangy down thing, they'll be pulling it around for long. Hey Alvin. Hey Fire.